Sino-sino ang mga Kapuso stars na nag-guest sa Amazing Earth?
Mahilig din sa tubig ang kasama ko sa Descendants of the Sun na si Jasmine Curtis Smith.
Ang vlogging kasi, it started back in Sweden. It's a fitness activity na naging trend noong 2016 na habang nag-jogging ka or naglalakad anywhere or walk ka anywhere, pwede kang mamulot ng basura. It's actually an initiative to work with plastic pollution para matuto tayo with waste management. So, naging fitness trend siya, pero it's fitness with a social concept.
Isa sa pinaka-busy na young actresses sa Kapuso Network, si Bianca Umali.
I like diving. I did scuba diving when I was 12 with Tropang Pochi, when I started with Tropang Pochi. I was a certified scuba diver. And for Sahaya, I started learning free diving naman.
Ang kapwa Kapuso kong si Heart Evangelista.
We had a place in Carmona, Cavite. And then, madaming mga asong kinakatay sa labas. And since we had aspins, sobrang shock for us na makarinig ng asong kinakatay. That's when namulit yung mga mata namin. And then as I got older, my dad would also tell me na itong nangyayari. So I started to become very active with paws. And aside from paws, I would also foster on my own.
Mga Kapuso, for the first time dito sa Amazing Earth, kasama natin si Ginoong Alden Richards.
Yes.
Alden,
Kedong,
welcome to Amazing Earth.
Thank you. Look for something that you really want. And tas aside from looking for something that you want to discover by yourself, Kedong, yung finding purpose in it. Especially like itong mga supporters ko lately, yung mga fans na doing charity works on my behalf, like tree planting.
Wow.
Merong isang puno doon, pinangalan nila sa akin and sa team ko. Aside from enjoying the environment, it's really also about preserving it para yung future generations may makita pa. May maabutan pa sila kasi sayang, hindi nila may experience yung ganda ng mundo kung tayo mismo sisirain natin.
Kuya Kim, welcome to Amazing Earth.
Thank you. I will put higher purpose and I will run, swim, and bike for the glory of my God. The Lord is my strength and my shield. To be put on TV, for me, it is such a privilege that God has given me. So my duty is to be the best that I can be with what I do.